All right, let's look at some things about this function. Domain, range, max, min, increase, decrease. So for domain, the smallest value for x is going to be this -3. And then because the function has the arrow going down and to the right, it's actually going to go forever. So domain is -3 to infinity. Now range, this thing is going down forever. So the smallest y value is going to be -infinity. And the highest y value is, of course, going to be this 4. It happens to be at the same point, doesn't have to be. And those are both bracketed because this is, of course, a closed circle. Now, when it says what is local max, where does it occur, what is generally going to be the y, and where is going to be the x. It could also be worded like, which x value is the local max, but in general, when it says what, it's local max or min, and when it says where, it's the x value. So local max is here, so the y value is 1. And where does that occur? So this is the what, and this is going to be the where. So it happens at 1 as well. What is the local min? The local min is -3. Again, that's the what here. And then where does it occur? It's the -1. That's the where does it happen. So, I mean, it can always be worded a little different, but something like that. Something that refers to location is going to be x. Location is always x. And that's going to help us on our next problem as well, where it says where does the function increase, decreasing? Because it says where, so that's going to be x values. So if I think about where this function is increasing, it's going up pretty much just in this little area. That's pretty much it. So if I want to know where it's increasing from -1 to 1. Because this is the x value here, and this is the x value here. And in between, it's going up. Now it's going down kind of in this region, and then in this region forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. So it's decreasing from -3 to -1. That's this x value, and then from 1 to infinity. Now remember, this is always going to be the x value, and it's always going to be parentheses for increasing, decreasing. So hopefully that helps you out.